Okay. This video is about Springfield XDS 4.0 chambered 9mm bitone and the GLOCK Model 42 single stack 380. I'm recording on a laptop webcam right now. I'm going to try to make this shit work. This is part 2 of my last video, which apparently after a year of having YouTube videos, gun videos seems to be the most viewed on my channel. Either that or me getting stung by a damn jellyfish. So, work with me again like I said on my first one. Thumbs up to the snook over my shoulder, painted on the ceiling with the mangroves. There's a couple of them. See? Hopefully this volume is, tip top and whatnot. Or this mic, whatever. I guess we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Now that I've dropped 360 400 rounds through the Springfield, and yes, it's unloaded, and I'm dropping about 160 rounds through this bad boy, unloaded on both firearms. Now I can give you all a better understanding about both of these guys. I'm going to start off with the GLOCK. I am taking this video on a very crowded pool table, which I traded a Smith & Wesson for, and I'm super proud of that. M&P Shield, 9mm to be exact. Now, please excuse me. Like I said on the XDS 4.0, on my last video, there was a rebate offer going on, and in my last video I said that there were going to be short magazines on that rebate offer. That's expired now, so if you didn't jump on that like I had suggested, then you're kind of fucked. Excuse my language, but that's how it is. But they gave me another extended magazine and another short magazine, along with another dual magazine holster, which you may be familiar with if you are a legitimate owner of XDS. This little guy right here, this little Model 42, when you shoot this, you have to hold on to it. These things are, every single gun shop that I frequent and or every single gun shop that I go into, these are not in stock because of the fact people like them a lot, especially for pocket pistol reasons, and I don't blame them. But whenever you fire this fucking thing, you want to hold on to it. Don't white knuckle it, and but whenever you fire it, you're gonna want to hold on to it hard and act like you're holding on to this bad boy right here. So, that being said, shooting 90 grain rounds out of this guy, you'll feel it. It's 13 ounces unloaded. Like I said in my first video, 13 ounces unloaded, 0.94 inches thick. Cute little guy. Let me see if I can get the proper angle on this while smoking a tobacco product. And I highly suggest anyone watching this video don't smoke a tobacco product over your pool table. It's just a bad idea. Fixed sight. That will catch on your clothing. Not sure about any companies that make anything aftermarket status for this particular firearm. I guess we'll find that out whenever the time comes. Pocket carry with no pocket holster. How we doing, Pops?
Good, man.
Springfield, on the other hand. That's a different story. Whether it's an extended magazine or it's regular magazine, like I had shown in my last video, these are non-adjustable sights. Oh, and by the way, this little guy right here up top got the green fiber optic, which comes with the firearm, which you can replace. It's about 2 inches long. They can give you an extra red one, extra green one. You can go ahead and switch that out if you wish. Either way, fixed sights. This rear sight right here, non-adjustable front and rear like I spoke of. This sight right here, it's a rather low profile sight. It won't catch on the clothing as much. Now that I have two hands this time on this video, you can see where one might catch clothing. Now, that being said, Pops, you want a starfruit?
No, I'm good.
Starfruit, it's amazing. That being said, you also have different size magazines. This right here is your standard 7+1 Springfield XDS 4.0 mag, single stack. This is extended. This is with the grip. I got a good holster, Uncle Mike's, for the Springfield, and waistband holster. And I'm 137 pounds soaking wet, if that. Who would ever know? Even putting it now, if you're the size of me or not, more or less, and you have it back here, when you go to sit down, you're going to have a 4-inch barrel up your ass. You don't want that. It's not comfortable, and I carry with one in the chamber every day on both firearms. I just, I don't feel comfortable doing it. You must keep in mind, when you have it back here, right or left-handed, when you go to bend over, you're going to have all of that exposed. You don't want that. Empty magazine, empty gun. Holster I have for the 42 with a magazine holster on the side. Excellent, excellent holster. Same thing, just better. Your shirt will ride up and it will expose your firearm no matter where you're at. Always, always, always keep that in mind. The takedown process on this bad boy. I don't know what YouTube will allow me to do for videos, time limit wise, but I gotta go ahead and make this quick. Magazine out. Let me show an empty magazine right here. Takedown process. Empty magazine. Take the magazine out, pull the slide back, put the slide lock up, pull that little guy up right there, close the slide, you're good to go. You can go on ahead and pull out the recoil spring in the barrel, drop the recoil spring, that's it. Putting them back together, not a problem. Good to go. Glock, same thing. It's a Glock. You're taking apart a Glock. If you're a fucking Glock owner, you know how to take it apart. My hands are super sweaty. You might be able to see a reflection over there somewhere. Excellent firearms. If I were to choose between the two, I don't know. I wanted to sell the 42. I thought that I was, since it's such a new gun in the Glock family, I figured that there was something wrong with the gun when really it was shooter's fault. Like I said, you have to grip this son of a bitch, and you have to grip it good. I don't care what kind of ammunition you're shooting out of it. I shot a couple of 90 grain critical defenses out of it up north a couple months ago, and I've shot some brass rounds out of it. It will really accept any ammunition you put through it, period. And like I said, I thought it was shooter's fault, but I mean, it is shooter's fault. I thought everything was wrong with the gun. Failure to extract, failure to feed, things of that nature. But once I gripped it properly, I didn't have a problem. 4, 5, 6 magazines after I figured out I was pretty much limp wristing it. This guy, on the other hand, I have not had one single problem with this bad boy. And on my first video, I had mentioned something about magazine not falling out. Perhaps that's because I haven't broken it in yet. I think that fell out pretty damn good. Let me do that one more time. So, I need to go on ahead and get everything that I got going more or something. Both of these guns have not failed on anything whatsoever. They're both excellent firearms. I got no problems whatsoever with either firearm now that I know what I'm doing compared to the last time I made a video on this. And I will release another video shortly, within the next week. Everybody stay safe, and always remember, treat a gun as if it's loaded all the time. And in the meantime, I got scuba diving shit to take care of.